Baby, you way I want to.
Hit me.
Oh yeah. Inkebonoe. T-H-E-L. Ola, ola, kashikebononi.
Me dream ya. Me pay bibi ma me kunu di ya. Straight to bed.
Aware.
See na dey.
Bi ade de sa na.
Nye de sa. Who are we there? You don't know it. Hey, yeah, try and send one say yes, you are married.
Yeah, babe. Me so kasa.
Baby.
Hello, babe. Oh, sorry. You could do lunch for restaurant there, Junction. You see me sorry. Me ref me name so bad time. Yeah, I'm coming right now, okay? Right now, like I'm coming right now. We're even on our way. Okay, alright, bye. Love you. Baby girl, I need to go right now.
Okay. When no now for phone am just say who come from to who die
Oh, still on the day. Maybe no come so bad time.
Baby, hold on. Ni kuna frɛ o ja ho akona anyanya bia ne family no.
Hey,
oba wari fo kuna frɛ no onu huntina ana onu ngina hwanye dey.
na see who na.
Hey, ma be kwa no tu babe ko aduane.
Hey, mo ko aduane ma. Mama wari atom papa. Ese matom mo tete awari nti motom right am abema.
sir.
Zed man me nyo.
Don't worry, be there. It's not okay.
Don't
worry, be there. Kaja okay, kanka.
Stage ma we dey me nye.
Onye.
Odo, ko ye aduane ma
Babe, call me when you're done.
Okay.
Madam,
Adio.
so we see wani. Be ma de obenya bia, ono be like. Bypass obenya bia ode kawa be hye wonsa.
Ubo ndua.
So wa brem.
Ada ubo miduana.
So see ya wari ya slaves amam mema. Wo wugina we wontimi nye slave nti awari pa de obenya bi. No wa brem ma say ya o. 20 years say me dey me pe bank manager na say wo benya 50 di otu struggle kra.
Ama jana am dem no case. E dey enta wa de won invite me. Bisa no. Ama e dey entipa na ama da bi oni me wasem. Oba. Ama oni me wasem. Onim say e me cast me ba no huhum nti hu nya say obeka cha mfese ka
ma men cast some ncho. On say me bridal maids ni nyina no. Omo share lease. Lease ne so 10,000 minim se minya wonya scan to agya kwa.
Babes, it looks like this one tastes different from the other one.
Just because this one has a little bit of
You know, I don't like that one.
I said a little bit, it's not that much.
Alright, no problem. I'll take it for you. Send it to you. Anyway,
So, the last, what about the reason you talk about the last one?
you're really smart. Or you've forgotten about it?
We are talking about money here.
I know, right? Yeah, right. The man is well, anyway, so they were talking about some $50K as the contract, and this going to be like that's not number.
You should answer maybe it might be your business.
Sure, no problem.
Okay.
Yeah, hello. I didn't get it. Please use this. No. Can you please give me a little bit of description? It be you? Hey, Charlie, I see you too. Where you go there? Hey, say Nipa ira. Everybody. Where you dey now? Where you dey? Oh, really? What happened? This is very sad. But I like you be cool guy. You be cool guy. You know. No, sir, that's not. No, you need to come home. You need to come home. Oh yeah, I have a very big house here. You need to come home. Oh, there's a big house, like 6 bedrooms. There's nobody here. I'm here with my wife. No, this one I don't even need to. Nah. Alright, sure. You're coming. So when? Okay, sure. I'm waiting for you. Hey. This is very sad, but then I'll go wed you. My guy. Hey. Alright, sure. Alright. Okay. I'll be home. Alright. Take care. Babe.
What is that? Hey, I'm not talk like, what is that? Come home already.
Yes. We are somebody. My guy, I was with him for like so many years. We grew up together. We're in the same hood, and then he said there's this disaster that came in his area, and then they caught some 10 guys, and he was part of it. He was in UK.
So I don't think it has anything to do with him coming here.
I know. But I told you he's an old friend. We grew up together.
So you want that friend, that your friend to stay here with us?
Babes, please do this for me.
You should know that your friend has been no. Listen, you don't even know what he did. You Obana Bema.
I'm sorry, Bema, you are safe.
Babes,
you are very safe. Trust him. He's a very good person. I'm even shocked he was part of the arrested people. Exactly what he has done.
Babe, what are you doing?
We discussed this thing earlier today. I'm going to take my friend.
You are going to bring your friend to this house with you. I think we talk about it now.
Babes, please understand me. Babes.
Listen, we talked about it.
I know we did, but then understand me. He needs us. He needs me especially.
I don't know the person. You can't just bring any criminal into my house.
Are you not a Christian?
Maybe just tell me what is Christian?
Okay, fine. Let's not do this in a religious way. I'm begging you. Let me just go and bring him peace. He might not even stay with us. We might get him a different room. You'll be fine. Don't worry. I told you I trust him. Come on, baby.
You trust him, but I don't trust him. I don't even know the person you are talking to.
You trust me, right? And do you think I'm going to do anything to hurt you? Ever since we discussed this, you've changed totally. Please, don't let anything come between us. You know I love you. Come on, see, you're looking very beautiful. Oh, thank you so much. All right, so let me call you when I get back. Okay. What should I get you on the way?
Anything right now.
All right, sure. Take care of yourself, okay? All right.
Should I open the gate for you?
I was you do that, no.
Okay, alright. Take care.
I was you. As we did the car, and I did talk about something. I know the bar.
Why?
So you say, what's up? What happened?
It's a long story, bro. I'm gonna tell you everything later on.
But then your color count. Hey, Charlie, I miss you, bro. Swear.
Glass and Kwan.
Charlie Rice and Uncle. Baby.
And place it for you.
Wow. I love you so much. So I'm sorry, Black. Yeah, Charlie. So this is Black. My friend I was talking to you about that he had an issue in UK and then so sad. So Black, that's my wife.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Okay, so let's.
Oh, sure, we can go inside. Charlie Black.
Alright.
Make her carry your bag. Oh, Charlie, I don't do work. Like I for carry the bag. Carry this here.
Oh, should be fine. Nice girl, yeah.
Charlie, the way I breath for this girl in top, I did talk this girl no go agree. How we they do one for JHS no?
Way back.
How we they do one? You the Kylie?
Yeah.
So make we talk about that one.
What?
You've been calling me. You know we have a visitor.
Baby, please let your friend go. I don't like him in this house. Can't you see? I don't like him. Me penasem. Let him go. He looks like a criminal. Why you talk now? Why are you staring at me?
The problem is we've already discussed this thing. And I told you he's a very good person. And besides, he's not going to even sleep in our place. We're going to get him a different room. The room are there. Stairs.
Listen,
down the stairs.
See me.
Hey, already. I feel my chewa sister will be happy. My tina my sister will be happy. Opa me my young one dear. I show kawa high for people. Me no munu di bedinti na me se agya ma me ntia me na achi isan se ya wale nkwa de ede bewo enkola no edaache yenkokora bom yidi na me pewo agya na metu kwan na ma akoye basa wa fechiri awale ene be mate na sida so nkanya me se Bemana Warren, or your uncle brother.
You see, I don't like him.
Ever since our mechanic children, I saw one person pen assembly.
Listen, me penasem. I just don't like him. Baby, what? Like, let me be. Baby, what?
And the uncle will go see that bed.
Just understand. Just let him go. I don't like him in my house.
You've even served us, so the food is even on the dining table.
Masa, me name so no, but only na call bank. I'm find the name Embeka.
Okay, please.
Baby, just stop this. Just let him go. That's all. Me person me no benya kasa in front of a stranger. That's why I called you. So won't make you up your mind and then call me.
Babe, please listen, please. Babe.
Mo frabram yonko brebo. Ana wasan ko fa no. Ne se bradi nim di ntia odi mba afia. We are bibi nsikwa o. You are bibi nsikwa. Na me tiasi pa so ba me mayo ho ade. Na me na wakasa se me ko pe bibia ba me adi ne ne ma nkui. Na ba bia ko wie pa ni amenti ase o. Menti ase da. Se me ja agia pa. Ama posi. Ana sen kanya me ni ho. Menti ase da.
Can you believe, sir? Black are bad. Black is in the country.
Huh?
Black is in the country.
Black.
How?
When?
In any 3 days. You will feel my baby said. Kokofana down for bills said they are bad. It's okay. Kokofana down for the buyer black. Black. I never knew say black tiase.
Black.
Hey. Black.
Hey, no.
And I won't country. And I mean country. I was confused. Like meaning the minions is here. Like I just don't know what to do. And black is in my house right now as I'm talking to you.
Are you serious? Haja, no. I said no. Say where one of your tricks now. Just keep it.
Baby, forget about
like, no, minimum no.
Shy baby black me be the man. I me who black and me who no.
going to do now?
I just don't know what to do right now.
We're in a big deal. So black now in the over. As I over far away. And you're big deal. No.
Hey, Benny.
Oh, mommy, come on, crying.
Talk sense, guy. No, at times so behave. When there's a so much children.
Eh, some na make catch any. Obo we kakra na obo we ni ba na wakose. Na te say obo no kakra we ni fia na obo wako we nchen. We tuni wa na ate ase. But o catch na ho be kire.
Benny, what kind of loose talk is that? Obi go through stress or catch her as a friend. Say man good advice. Look at the shit you are telling her.
Now we stress. That same way stress.
Baby.
It's simple. Much way. But we simple. Much sure say you be na be simple. Ama dey we so stress.
Babe, don't listen to her. No, Fanny no.
Me, I can still be with black. Just
see me.
My friend, my friend the crown.
What did see me, relax. Send a beer so she need be done. Just tell them the truth.
Tell who?
From me, no.
I don't want to lose my boyfriend. No. So
baby
black
girl.
that be quite fine, but my boyfriend no.
Oh, she my black in swako. Obe crown.
That's a black or what did that?
Oh,
black is already gone.
Yeah,
black is doing my
door.
I don't know what I go do. You go make it like me.
I'm going to review. But I can't back on
Yamale. What's up? Now there, but Onumusu, what's it?
Me a voting guy. I'm voting guy. Say voting. I saw the one say me there. I'm voting guy.
Wow. This be so nah. Yeah, they stay here for class and for. You know easy, bro.
Master, you love my dressing.
Black.
Hey, master, now going.
You do me throw in your bonnet.
I want to cry a crow. I can't say.
Charlie, it's you only be black. See the American, we are. See the all over the ASEAN. I don't know this. Black with the man, one a bit discipline.
Hey, display, one display, obey spray me. Spray me, do spray me. Sure, na.
Tuni me be black in here. Young Cobra Boba.
Onyon Cobra.
Medium very tight. You get me? You be very, very close.
Yeah.
Easy as you come this house, me then you they stay very clean.
Yeah, I know.
Be DBA me there.
With the mommy.
The DBA person.
I can't back on your mommy.
The body.
I mean, a girlfriend.
Yeah, say
Master.
Now, my mother na call no DBA.
Master, any a long story. Any a part 2.
Last time I cry by hand, say.
Master, any a part 2. Yanka part 1.
With the material assembly balita.
No, I will saw no bets now. Or bets was
point black.
No.
Or bets was no. Now she you can't say why the papa.
Benny Jai concert on your castle in your day.
I mean,
I didn't make out to say Jane. I'm one body Jai, Nemfa. Babe, see me in seeing. What's you know as some person of back?
So what should I do right now?
Just sit them down.
Sit down. My catching boyfriend so on my black and go and only baby then or Kasan some baby just say a big cry. I just don't get the whole thing.
Or you're not down for best friends. Hey, oh my name was out. And some senior about 3. Or when na fear honum na we pia not show we. Say black do who's on independent. One man what no so on being the cat here.
See, my cousin so once it told me down in Siena. Me so about once it told me down. O boyfriend odo. And why will so no obewa when I share bedroom can come in here. I said black and I won't see in the presence of one munina can connection.
What say? How am I going to start a
you know how to seduce him and tell him
from a foot to no. Won't you want to make also want to make yourself be here. You see how black or catch a boy now. A very issue. What else? See, then I'm not catch on. Who wake up and all wake up. Show who you want to show me.
I don't have any interest in black anymore. Me black.
What's stressing the more?
What's stressing the more? Me one of my nephews stress me.
Right.
So if you were to be in my position right now, it will be boha no aboha.
Obey.
My point some of the catch.
Obey.
Met some who are doing
Obey. Don't listen to her. Obey. Why?
Way a big deal.
I don't wait for them for
See, black in the uncle brother power boy me so many ways. Me na ni really ya.
Master Jema beti e. It you.
What I know be coffee.
Master who me dada.
And you need me. Say them no tia na. Sanya na ne bet na ofia am say. Say them no tia na. Sana yin bet na. Just say nyoma bebre na da e sonko won ni mi no tem. Ono de me na e say mi afo.
Obeta fie bi.
Oba betina.
Ono beta fie bi.
Obetina fie am say.
Hey, say me duane no me se beti o. Master.
Etunya de wo ya. Etuni bi. For dog ebu ahomwase e ma no se de o de ma me na ni di. What you say ofre wa. Bibi am catch say me fry dey.
Ndo me camera.
Thank you. Ono so fry dey.
Ndo me camera.
That's one. Onya ho ho so a e ya hu nipa ni mu no. Ani mi dim come answer no dey. Papa anti black. Ya molinio.
Hello. Menya dankani me nungri me so. Shall say? Hello, it is I.
I'm good and you.
What's it?
I'm good and you.
I'm fine. You. Welcome to the master home. Please, I know you come to sit down here because we like you. We don't want to take my food. Oba me be ani de ntete so. Why?
Na de bia odi dia o me yana.
Asa me dia nsem de me fani agro. Enti me fa na ne de.
Aduane de ma kan no e wana di.
Masa ne fa na ne de.
Aduane de ma kan wana di last.
Megunu was megunu.
Ya wo aba. Enti you see at the make and say the bona de ma me. Pasaye de. E ma no. Enti unim. You rat on him about. Tell last week I'm the man no.
No.
Matia. Black.
Yeah.
See there for Chelsea Shamina.
Ah, Masa, why black?
Ah, black.
What's the soup funny?
Oh, my brother, Dave. What is going on? Dave, so that be your what you can't see for house now.
No. My brother, you know, try. Yes. I can tell you the truth as my G. You understand? You know, even try. You're not supposed to carry that guy. You're a married man. You understand? That can bring a confusion every blessed day.
Dave, I understand what they talk about. Oh, like 100%. But that my guy, he helped me on some years back. Charlie Gary with the chopper. This boy, the way he be hardworking, he dey send me coins from outside. He send me money.
I understand everything, but you're not supposed to carry that guy. You're not supposed to take him into your house. It will cause a lot of problem. I know why I'm saying this. You understand? Because of tomorrow. Yeah. I have observed all those things and all these things. That's why I observe it. I've seen many. I've seen all of the cause. That's what I'm telling you all this.
Dave, you have a point. But try and be in my shoes. If you have a friend who has helped you before, and now see, right now where he come need your help. Right now they need your help. Then they send you money on.
Adia, what is going on? Am I dreaming or what?
What is this?
Adia, opa me mawalo a meja wo to kwan no.
Hey, point of correction. How are you home? I know by your car wash me.
Adia, we were married before I left.
We were?
Yes.
That was where? That was then. Me patch up, please.
Adia, ne matu kwan na bi nti wonte me nka. Wonya kukuduo ma bema fufran so aye ho ade.
Baby I want phone ni ho.
Adia. Chi ni ti na so pam.
Ah, me what ba me fie ba be shouting on me.
I am not shouting on you, but no kwa na me ka no.
Oh, no kwa there ho. Me pa you are in my matrimonial home. You have no right to ever raise your voice on me. Me pa chop. What problem? Keep your problem because it's my worry. Me person me ne.
Ja saksem lo kaso.
I said bang, who buy my worry? How many years na kwa show no? Like me person there.
Aja me nja wo. Ana wo fa me san so mre me.
Oh, and say they say be able so. The answer was not.
Aja me dunya me kama no na ma hu akwantuom. So nim na mo jijimi a.
Hey.
Aja wo hum ye o. Wo hum ye. Okay, we back. I'm last time basa bi untimi sisan ye no. Enya ma me nko sa amudi nim.
I don't understand you, but what you're supposed to do is this. You know, right now you want to help him, right?
Yes, I want
You're supposed to find another apartment for him. You understand? To touch with. Not to come and stay with you.
My guy, I don't understand. You
see, let me tell you something. I'm telling you exactly
I understand,
the truth. Because one day you may go out and come in.
Dave.
What you will see?
Dave, Dave, you can't curse me. Dave, you can't curse me.
Not that I'm cursing you, but it's what I have already observed.
Money deal. Dave, right now, money deal. What do they want? We are not going to do give you. The same thing I go do give my guy.
That is what I'm exactly explaining for you. Right now, money day. Find another apartment for him.
Okay, you like it? They come, sir.
Oh, Charlie.
Black. Yeah, I come. Relax. Okay. Charlie, what could do then? You Bob. I understand. You are not saying you there. So your work for town whatsoever.
If you are okay with it, I don't have any option.
Dave.
Yeah, I continue saying it because I know how it is. Maybe one day you will go out and come in. What we see in your house, you won't believe it, and it will happen.
Dave,
yes.
Dave.
I'm telling you, I'm a traveler. I have traveled many places.
Dave, I know. Hey, Charlie, Dave, why you come make fresh you? Dave, you come. See the
no, it's not easy. Johnny is not easy.
So where you go?
I just want to get some certain things over there. You know?
Where you left your car? You be like today, you can place the car.
Yeah. My driver is over there.
Okay. Charlie, we could just hurry. You be like your driver said. You wait.
Me what go see any?
Aja, you extra careful. Me you know because you nyai.
Me pacho so na okasa, me person okasa na obembe so I don't like that.
Hey.
I'm a married woman now. Me pacho plan.
Aja. But so okasa me you court. Ama me say ring and can asana me call.
And so
yes. And I call to one so am na na say uni upate no tu kwan a I just for me yes. Asana what me jai no.
Why are you shouting?
I'm not shouting.
So why are you?
But they have an American. Uni pa boni sama what year? What I confirm me madam for?
Oh, call ye no. Na oni mu enchi.
Mimi ni mechi anga masaba.
Oh, just stop it.
Mimi mechi a.
My boyfriend is please me pass.
Me madam for no wasa kwa ko fa no.
Oh, wadam for.
Aja me do nyame. Say en kokot. Ye me sani default people dey chese me jao.
Pacho me lawyer gusu ye me dey no ho.
Wo lawyer gusu ye ho sa. Wo lawyer egusu ye wo dey no ho djuma. Yenya mini say yenya ye gusu ye ho djuma. Mini say yenya ye no ko fa be ma fofo. Aja.
If you don't know, let me tell you. This other na me who fi ha no. Na me contacting lawyer. So nya papers ni ready. So yeah, the papers name bro, and make sure say one be in class never sorry for my words. But when na one year because I'm happily married.
Sana wakasema.
Yes.
Aja, me so me ni unya nti me so me yire no.
Oga Barnabas.
My brother.
Bro, Charlie, once again you're welcome to my humble house.
Thank you.
Black.
Bro.
Easy out.
Yeah.
This guy has been very good to me too.
Oh, okay.
Charlie,
bro, nice to meet you. I'm Blacky.
Oh, I was so Barnabas.
Oga Barnabas.
Is he in color?
Black.
Charlie, so Oga, this be my guy. Then I talk to you about years back. Say me then my guy he helped me some time ago. Okay. I don't get anything.
Yeah.
Black this.
This be the guy.
Guy. Is it I tell you see my you go like him?
Yeah. Nice
Black.
Guy.
Yo, bro.
Charlie, so then I tell him about your story that
okay.
You to be very good person. So,
okay.
So if you see him we are not there, you go free talk to him. Sometimes you go come in the house, you go figure he be visitor, but he be part of us. Right now we will be family.
Okay.
So
Nice to meet you again.
Nice to meet you. Oga
Barnabas. Yeah, Oga.
But today they make happy. They don't know say this thing go happen like this. A time go come where we all go sit like one family.
That is all part of life.
So Oga, I no go cut your mouth, but then how far you married?
Well, I'm never yet married, but it's in the process.
What are you waiting for? With all the money?
Oh, it's the process, it's not easy. It's not easy. The marriage is not something that you can just sleep and wake up. You say you are married or you want to get married. It's a planned thing before,
So like what are you still waiting for? As a grown man like you're not married.
Oh no. Apart from grown man, before you're married, you have to put things in order. You understand me?
Sense.
Yes. You can't just wake up and you say you want to marry. You have to. Are
you in a relationship?
Well, yes.
We like it.
For how many years?
Oh, it's not too long like that. Now it's just like 1 year.
1 year?
Yes.
You dating someone's daughter in Ghana here?
1 year.
You don't want to get married to her?
Oh, stop it.
Hey, what is wrong with you?
Wait.
Well, that is not it.
Wait.
That is not it. Yeah.
No, the TVC, Black Step.
On fire from see a day.
Me about wire phone, so also me show you. So meaning so worry, so be an day. You make no mammy in Pure Meringue shop.
Oh, no, there's a scene, you know, there's some acres. And we are to show us son out of a farm. Oh,
why, Freddy?
That's not so sad.
Thank you.
How am I?
That we are fashion.
Hey, well, do listen. This say, boy, remember
now we say we okay, and the first no my major no
I said don't
He's so cracked up.
Oh wow. Ama. Akwaba. Why I said?
Oh, the part of Pushika why? Pushika call over to send me no one and then I'll be baby.
Yeah, not why you change me.
Oh, me pesa idea no.
Hey, oh, much of one shoe.
Okay.
Oh, you're okay. Tiwelling the castle. Oh, you're okay. Okay. And then my minion and come out.
Ah, black. Black.
I am.
Say baby,
I am your daughter. Why? Hey. And send them to see me. I know they're having me. See that me sweet at the base.
Oh, sweet as no one, bright dream call.
What the fuck? Ah, black. How come?
They miss you one.
Ah, the also Musa say. Chema say.
I saw my have you. How can I mention what I say?
Black pedophilia.
You see, I need net.
One end no wine.
Yeah, name no net.
And no wine.
Any me queen.
Like how? Sainting a what do ex-husband. I bet now Kunufi. Are you crazy?
Me. Now maybe they may then. I'm a fan better if you are with him. Hey, see. You couldn't knock fan about. See the best. Na down for. I'm a come and no musem in la. To see any necessary.
Who couldn't send a day?
Na down for. With them by one me born the 7.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I will bet if you how long?
Ah, sister, a month. African name say echo. Now my face love me home.
Oh.
But show me, sister Manda for 2 good weeks. Now they me family no.
And I will say.
Who can say? Aye, and I done for. And now I'll call baby now.
No, there.
So there is a lot of
calm down. Onim say your ex-husband.
Sister, Onimo, now in name won't buy 7 away. No, who didn't.
And now what's
Mama,
what should I do? You don't love your husband.
Hey, sister, some men are okay.
Hey, what do Bema? na wote hu ntise me nipa boni ni na tie me tim calm down me nipa boni ni na me ya damfo boni na sese so okunu me ne kasa na mafafo nim sagia obema no one ne tena ni ex husband na o flese de no bedwena fa obeka so one ni ye BBC na wo mo na mane nti wa hu sei ne wo se waka che okunu long time se be me na mesrew na ma worry dada be ma we na ye mi kunu na se obeboa na ompe sika bi ma no no fa ko hindan by se weti miama wadnada fa bet na ni fie anadam for ne so ye wo ex husband na what home
Mama listen once I make you know or a little bit quick temper to me I don't know how to talk to him for him to understand because he's my ex-husband so I don't want him to stay in the house with us so
you will love it to say obi be hunu e di concern chire
Mama what should I do right
you have to tell him the truth say kwampo 1 month o da so te ho 1 month e wo sa da hu sa dey na woni ne dam paso don sa fa ne ti wa pagian papa bi ama na di no waka asumde aguna sum no what's na hu sa up to now Anfa.
Osina down phone to me Jenny say we have a lot of problems.
Na down for no onim say your husband. Can't you get that?
I'm a patrol campus.
As you guys see, she's in a hurry,
Maybe I'm a mentor. Why, Mr. Wadarum Patrol? Why?
1 minute.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Ama, Mr. Wa shevia boy enim. Na hwekwan a agya de me faso ntiye. Why imagine in your presence no, say you sit here me. Ama, usunu se agya your ba ma ware no. Ma ye fidie akokot. Ma sisan kranta wa ban mu. Na me tu kwan ba in the name of better future. Ibaya agya no aware. Akwantu ma na so da you because na miniska be tu kwan. Lona me kwaji de be ye ho ade. And I would have buy a force me as him to quine. Name to quine.
Hey, and Bosuda. Who could you loan by my one day?
Adia, oh dear,
share
me when you want a minute, my bass say, why, Mr. Share me why. And yes, be I would say now, why? Maybe
I must go. So I won't be you. Sisi and power by an atosun prinu. Upia matiko se mi tukwa nyina sana wonim dia woye na wonim dia woye me koye me baaya agi aware tese me koye na anye yie
black wo msa dia agi aye no anya de but mfo ka ho se me sen pa ho se obetimi atukwan be 3-4 years no bante wonka wa mfre no se wakonya broni bia ware no Aje pepe seden obi anim agia ai broken hata wa fam no eni so a wa besu enye yizi
amade o kana me so fa ba be meti wase na hwe hu se ba bia me ko no ho nye me kuromu ena ho menim obi a ho
nti ho nye wo kuroma nti wunya fo na mfre no ana akwa ye kwache
ama ya chime me kwa ye kwa no ba bia na medi ti beto kwa na me nyae na me nya adwuma papa bia enti construction work no bi chem so yenko na yenko ye adwuma yi bi ye kwa kohwe adwuma no first day ma ye adwuma kama de na je ba fie all of a sudden I saw people running me hu ase ya chem say ada blacks bi akobokro no
into second phone
ene de me fry ama ma bra hu se me nyina ni o na oba ma ware o wo fie wo ga na me kurom na me ba mu kwane mani da so a me ba ma hwe agia me hu no na me yonku posi e fa me de ma ba fia agia ni me agia na wale me yonku brebo ne ti
agia fiefo de It's now for bebrebe bui when you be amfana down for a bemo worry no no say your best friend. Yes, someone say we are papa.
And then Ama, and then Cassana Mecana and many be say Misugumi Mumidi ya pa. Aja so your ba me dono. Menye ma do say me jana ma be bia. To Mr. Wadaroma, me the shoes and then Cassama. Ona wo kan wo tie. She say dia wona wo teacher.
Black on baby. Me asem we me bete no abo me pisa. Ntu de meso e kwa akoda. Nsusu nye e ma adwene. Me saba. Na me nimu nie no nyina atena ase. Nye hu baby adi ye beto. Why? O de ma me time na. Just asem no me ba be hu no my confused. Why?
Amamati. To me show ni no atwe mu ayo. Why? But Saja is an adwene pa dia. Saja is an adwene. Kaish. BCB.
If you way I want to hit me. Oh yeah. Inkebono. GHEL. Ola kashikebononi. And I swear the first time when I saw you, you just did bust my brain. No. Ola kashikebononi. You know something.
Hey, Kafrat, my mother. Who's a black nina any free that day?
Oh. So, I'm printing. And I am quite. What? I just then young quote.
My person no cassava black. So, boy, I don't pam.
Oh, me pamo all black.
See.
It's you.
Nipano. Anya she one nuts na kakra.
Okay.
Nti wo say at least all the respect kakra. Man.
I don't see me respecting.
The way crampa me many money ne kasa no. Anya.
Ama, I'm getting enough of him. Like
I
you
know.
Mean to me.
But anya she waboa wo pen. We know. The way nas na okoba.
Okoba. Okobo chacha wodua se ba na so okwan fa ne ba.
Na so into one aduane am
we. Oh sister, stop. So me no aduane mo di.
And no sacrifice for you.
Miss ma wasting my time on him.
Ain't see.
Oh, sister.
I willing to share something called love. It's no matter what love means, no. I was so man a little respect. Miss Cheryl, the way I see finding a casa hash. Yen is like you are more treating him.
I'm so no more treating. Me person on fi me fie. Me ni traka bia.
You are.
Me.
Let me be so.
Then asem.
Black open.
Me. Be the near day.
I into a docker crap.
Oh, sister, Jasam, Jai question now with some men. Where the near day?
Hey. I ain't see yes, baby bar. Black no what's na ye what bah oh patch him say you don't have any little feelings for him.
Ama, listen. And you say like, okay, let me put it in this way. I like him. But oja me hono sanka menshia posi ama nka be gusuka ho ne me akasa. Esa na meti ama tina ya ofe. Posi aboa me papa na me yin ni boni aye. Hey. Sister. Aha,
enti say ni senior men sifa no kan wo dem honum na. Me pacho any person kasa. Na on hind daima black, na on free wo so enko. It's as simple as like that. Because all kasa wo jeje black enim so atena fie ha sei. Na se dachi bi, ukunu find day out. Madam. Ye beja we wi akite.
No,
be in your husband's shoes. So we are worried. Now be one now husband head sababit nifia be of it. So what's a crampa a yensen be bring to me srow. A new kum in casa.
Okay,
are you okay? Aku. Thank you very much.
No waiting I go do way go. If you way I want to hit me. Oh yeah. Inkebono. GHEL. Ola kashikebononi.
Hey, hello. Hey, you will fear too.
Yeah, you're buying now, you're buying now.
Ah, my friend Dave will emergency be, so I have to quickly check up on him because I know the one boys deals here. Now, also,
may call wife. I'm who I'm so.
No, I feel it.
I'm not telling
And then,
a nice man.
the top now, we on.
The top knife.
But that's it. So, what do you say? It's kind of banner.
It's a video has
Thank you. When he met me,
Bema be said.
Most of them say coming too much.
The second one.
Mayor.
For Baby and so dreaming.
Man,
I tell you, so I'm
Charlie, Miss Shaw.
Then I will.
My wife knows how you see. I was there. They are saying about.
Well,
I'm sorry, man. In your pocket, I'm sorry. Yeah, then I make an hour. When you can say yes, sir. Once I'm your wife for my wife knows how you say at the assembly, but to do whom ya hello, hi, now.
And I'm the drone same. Obi well for my garden cacao. I will.
It is another day, my wife, a cheap.
Oh, so wife, what? May what be catch or cry?
The Matisse is in our bed and be kind of be near. I'm not sure why.
Hey, now the stars are out.
Girls, like she said, I don't even know what to do right now. Can you believe say Black or back catching me know what's going on?
Black?
Yes. Like I just don't know what to do right now. That's why I called you yesterday night. And so what were you doing?
And I won't friend me.
Not my dream. Like
no. Oba catch you
say on me I worry. Na my fanichi.
Or no worry no fanichi. Now them or church you move chill. Like your or na any no buy no I can't catch you there.
Maybe it's not a crying and have a conversation. It was I think and run. But no like no you did you.
Wow.
Like you know and you say me could dance.
Yeah, some week or your bubble.
Members me couldn't bet saints and I'm a friend
And one person only so or by women's only beman it all. It's only in Casa. Just no person no one to say, Mobile Bema no
say.
Not or catch you or a bubble. Mamma Casa, I'm into a crown.
Benny.
Ah,
what's too mindful?
What's too mindful?
Hey, now it's true. Now, I don't know all my months nasi because I send by they are not like yes, can they dream? All my months nasi now month cast I want to things out. Or no. Now, Obama will dine them. Now, Radley.
We are best friends so. And so bem. And mama mother will fire a pound solid do. Hey, as some do no be can. A best sell baby dear sister. Okay. And yet
only me person me raise the idea. I then I'm on my answer and Sam for Black. Near go pe baby. Near na nkasa. What I say? Any your best idea. Yeah, all their friend. So person in like man a signal of son in the share.
And no best friend.
Best idea.
Obeka so be ton na my. Black
the people say I don't know Black when him here. And that's what who you say strangers.
Yeah, strangers, but on say be one more person here. So on one is person.
A dear Black person why you no person.
I'm married to like you know.
So what? I'm go for mukun.
Maybe I'm not ready to come.
We crown your house, obi planning a house boy crash him na. When your house boy, obi are not nada.
I just say me so on Black in
casa. Some kuto ama na some.
Na mukasa na.
Baby, only Black. Okasana you did big.
Okay.
Okasana only na TV. I was even scared.
You want me to call him?
Say, Obe found one.
Obe some friend. Yes, so we can.
Man solving at asem asem.
Me solving.
And I was solving as men are made from me.
What kind of friend I need ya?
Me ma we foot pa. Ofa foot o yank what solve problem with that. As Obe free pana.
Let me say a question. Okay. What if say we decide say obe mom me no nyina like or the bet me no nyina. Na e bia boys ntu the two guys now who say na ekoso na da ko ne black show na sane husband me pie so e dey no be and so photo be na dey no photo why dey
me pani chon say oni me ka wa bo me ho
Black.
Yeah, what's it?
A guy. Why? And they talk to you every day. What do they want you and will give you? Why they stand here? They think about. What do they think about at all?
I am even thinking of how I am disturbing your privacy and do stuff, wasting your money, bro. You've been keeping me for like. For some months now.
It's anything over Jina Hanoma or Jenny Giddy. I make Casabia or buy your man at the buy maybe Santa Dena and Assam Pabua. What he did there, you know, go fit take some. Everything at the own, it be your own. Me, I tell you. You go fit bring your visitors. What did they take? And my wife, they prepare everything, give you too.
Bro, I do understand what you are saying. But
they will be. My guy, they will be. Huh? I mean, yes, I'm trying to hug me, Diana. I mean, yes, I do. You didn't make her think too much. If you didn't think me to what they think, see, right? You don't want work. Ebi, I don't know how. Overseas, me question my audio channel.
Well, you know,
I bet my palm boys in Nana, I'm dead.
I say, nowadays, you know, Momogana, I don't know, Moyeti. It is semi choose now to my media no pavia new Milano. Oh, in Ukokrum, one dear fowl to be breme. I don't know, I am a how be baby no. Once a Momo had a never more thing. Oh, and I just went only tea.
Unime, me boy. Yes, Miss Minimopa. Say, we are hard working crossing. By Bibi na day. Abba, Bibi na cinema, Senior Mayesa. But me come more plans be bread in my word. Last time come on any media. Shop ya ask me from my way, doom hodi. If you own, just 9% me surprise, but I say ubej now you need to make a show. What? Young boy, I'm me there, wife you fufu. Now, what jam favorite food now, I feel fufu now, you last night you were so active in that. Why you say that?
Yo, bro.
Hey, Black.
You do down one. I'm trying to come on.
3 years old.
My shadow was at.
Nothing I need come as what time.
If I saw come home. Oh no, who said we are having a private time, so also come.
Peeps.
What am I, mommy?
Boss, Black panel. That's how we Nancy Muse.
Baby, I'm going to Akonya 3 in 1. Me one me member 3. Oh.
Baby.
Fine. Like stop. Fine. Nice for her.
You're disgracing me.
Where are you going?
You're disgracing me. Stop this. This is unbearable. Nah, feel free. That's my home. My home is your home too, you know, right? Babe. Babes. What's up?
Yeah, what's up?
What they said you are looking for you, bro. Charlie. I said the wife, there will be another wife in it. Charlie,
but me answer the last time I'm reading Kobo. Me and Casamati have a hammock to the extent say, oh, you didn't pour out there, so baby, I just say, we hear me. Because where they said, can I be?
And Matthias, about him. Ma, me and Cassandra, the Oyeno are surprising me. I'm really shocked, honestly. I'm really shocked, and it's a disgrace to me. Because we have a big man to say me, where ya Bobra, what you say? No, Babbitt's my madam for say, oh, man, India. Oh, very disrespectful. But on him, Nina Pussy and Sound, or so a problem be with Ace Cassam. Was a man is Cassam there. Or Mutual, only last no comes into a DB man. Wait, and the money to no day, so like, I know if you sort time, it can affect you. What I say? Maybe actually, make my mind say this weekend, because my man was trying to mammy. Not yeah, 1 or 2 good.
Oh, that baby, several planet that's all cost on the mammy. And for your money,
any problem.
Yeah.
So, and you would need to dear, but say, oh, you're okay with me,
yeah, me okay.
Challenging me down because what am I say? What I say? I can't say my wife knows so bad, I bet me they make an say.
Why, really not, why?
Any enforced one.
Me didn't come beyond so bad. Yeah, me didn't come into
black.
I'm a bash roses here, don't worry.
But so you okay, dear?
Me okay.
You okay, dear? I'm so okay. Black. Charlie, Jade, mammy. Meeting and I may not deal with two. You may summarize it.
Ah, okay. So then, my is we Jim from Accra.
Now we have drink beer.
Oh, me okay.
Bro,
Yeah, what's up?
you see that my guy Black?
Black.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Of late, it be like in reaction for the house. No, they make sense to me. Like morning, I go see say he dey think. Evening, he dey think. Afternoon, self, he dey shock me. After eating, he still dey think. So me, I dey think of setting up a business for him. What do you think?
Okay, by thinking, have you asked him why worried about or something like that?
So the problem is, I keep asking him, but then he's always telling me he's trying to think about something for himself. But the problem is, I think because he came out from the prisons and then he bought some few clothes and stuff, I think he has locked somewhere. But then what do you think if I give him a business of his own?
My brother, listen to me. As a friend, as a good friend, as a good brother, I'm continue saying this. And me, myself, I know why I'm telling you all this. You understand?
Yeah, I understand.
Better thing for you to do, find apartment for him.
An apartment?
Yes.
You're still saying this?
That is what I still saying. And I will continue saying that.
A guy, I told you this guy is a very good person. He's helped me before. But let's talk about the business aspect and forget about him moving from the house. And I told you this won't work. Just understand me.
My brother, the situation now is not about the business. It's about you renting apartment for him. That is all.
So what about the business aspect?
After that, you can open any business for him. This is a good idea.
So you want him to sit there and think that I'm seeking a third advice, or I'm talking to a friend of mine and then he's giving me the advice for me to sack him from the house.
Okay, let me tell you exactly the truth, my brother. I don't want you to be in pains. Yes.
With all the money I have,
I don't want you to be in pains.
You know I'm always happy.
I know say you are
You're always
happy.
on my side too, so why are you doing this now?
That's why I'm advising you. Let that your happiness don't lead you to the fact. I don't want you to be bad, to feel bad.